Greetings, it's Cleopas here. I bring you an important message regarding the expansion of our YouTube channel, Masters and Doctoral Degrees Tips and Tricks. And I'm very thrilled to announce the launch of a special initiative. One subscriber equals 2 subscribers. If you hear this message, it means you are one of the 2 subscribers. And what it means is just subscribe and then persuade one more person to subscribe. Our goal is to reach millions of students in need of this project, fostering educational and technological change within our institutions, within our universities. And we can only do this successfully if we grow in numbers. Take, for example, if we are 1 million, who would resist to come to our platform, which has got 1 million of followers? So it's very important that we grow our channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe now. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, don't hesitate to subscribe now and extend the impact by inviting just one additional subscriber. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Stay ahead with technology and innovation in academic writing with master's and doctoral degrees, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Thank you.